McCulloch Super 55. This is a 1958 model. They had a 55 and they had a 55A. This one's just a 55 Super. It's a gear saw. This has the early kart motor in it. Underneath the hood here, you open this up, you can see it has a removable head. And tucked up in there, you can see the head bolts. And it's got the directional muffler, so you can change it around to get the chips away from you. And it has the right hand starter. It's got a Tilson HL carburetor. Saw was in good shape when I got it. It's had a few little small problems. The oiler was stuck. This one has just a manual rod, and the piston was stuck inside. And actually, that screw right there on the front, you take that screw out, and then there's another screw behind it, and your plunger comes out. And you just got to push the rod through, get the plunger out, clean out the bore, free everything up, and the oiler will work like brand new. It's a 36-inch roller nose bar, and I've changed this from it had the sprocket that was on it was either a 1/2 inch or 9/16 sprocket, and I changed it to a 404. Put a brand new piece of 404 skip on there. And the tank was a little dirty inside, had a little bit of electrolysis and some corrosion in there, and just scrubbed it out. And it's got a wadded up filter material in the bottom. There's a well down there, and underneath the plate. And just put new filter material in there. Rebuilt the carburetor, freed up the oiler, and also opened up the gearbox and cleaned out the gear set. All the just old oil and material build up in there. And there's your fill for your gear oil is right there. That's your bar and chain oil. And other than that, it really didn't take much of nothing to get this old saw right back into good working condition. I plan on cutting with this saw and using this saw, so I'm not going to do any more as far as restoration. Basically, it's just a mechanical cleanup, and I'm not going to paint this one. Seems like when you paint them real nice and pretty, you never want to take them off the shelf and use them. So I think we're going to leave all the battle scars on this one, and it earned it. And we're just going to run it just like it is. And I got this saw from the Saw King. You can find him on eBay, and also he has an online store. You can search for Saw King, the chainsaw guy, and he sold me the saw and the chain and bar. And he also sells new parts. So go find his online store and check him out. And he always has some great deals on parts and saws.